sliders, the All-Pro sliders installed. Gonna give me a lot more protection. Also gives somewhere for Bernie to step now. Opening up the All-Pro sliders. So they're very well packaged. I've heard lots of good things about these sliders. Looking at these and a couple other ones, ultimately chose these because they were in stock and I ordered them about a week ago and they're already here. That's a plus. Yeah, these things look really good. Super stout. I imagine they probably don't come in as good of packaging when they're raw steel, so they're not worried about dinging up the powder coating. Let's remove the stock sliders. It's a 13 mil. Luxury we have here in the Southwest, bolts don't seize up from rust. Good thing about not having salt on the roads and not really getting much rain. Don't have to worry so much about rust. So that's pretty much all there is. For this son of a bitch to come down. There we go. Just like so. Finally getting some better protection for the FJ. Not only for the trail, but also for around town. All right. Fuck's holding it. A bit of rash on there. They've definitely been used for what they're supposed to be used for. Okay, clean up all the bolt holes. This right here I need to move. Got a new piece that goes here. Relocates this up a little higher, get it out of the way. Other than that, it's a really straightforward install. These are the new ones. I painted them so I don't have to worry about it rusting. Sorta. More light on the subject. All right, go away. So this is a very DIY-able project. Definitely don't lock anything down tight like I did this one beforehand. That's a fucking horrible angle. Side 2. See how this goes. First part's the hardest part. Okay, one more time. Make sure you don't pinch any wires when installing these. If you got rock lights or whatever, like I have rock lights installed under here, and I just pinched one of my wires, so I don't know if my rock lights are going to work now or not. All Pro sliders installed.